this afternoon, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies and cool conditions coming up here as we work our way through the day. I'm hoping we'll see things brighten up a little bit before the sun sets, but it really is more of a gray day for us in the valley, especially the southern valley and to the south and east. And that plus that northwesterly wind keeping those temperatures on the cooler side here today as well. So here's the latest look at our visible satellite loop. You can see the clouds just kind of working their way very slowly to the south and east here this afternoon. Up by Devil's Lake, we're clearing out, getting some sunshine there, even brightening up in Grand Forks from time to time. And you'll see a little bit more sun here shortly, but it'll take a while for Fargo. It may not be till closer to sunset that we see it. And over to the east, we're kind of just stuck in those clouds right now. So taking a look at your wider view, we had some snow moving through western parts of North Dakota this morning. That dropped just to the south and west of us, so it just missed us. Thankfully, we missed out on a system and got to stay dry today. Temperatures are into the 30s. It is cool. We're at 32 degrees in Valley City at the noon hour. That's pretty chilly. And 37 degrees in Fargo, 38 in Grand Forks, some mid to some upper 30s over into Minnesota. And your wind speeds are a little stronger up to the north and west. You can see those stronger winds gusting into the 20s out of that northerly direction. And that's the direction that continues to just feed in that cooler air here for us in the valley. So stuck with cold temperatures here today. It's moving in some drier air though too at the same time, so that's why we're starting to see some clearing up to the north and west. But you can see as we head into the afternoon, not a lot of change at least happening with the cloud cover. We may see some breaks, but overall, if you've got clouds now, you're more likely to be dealing with those as we head into the later part of the day. Tonight we clear out a little bit more. We see those skies really clear out in the west. Still more cloud cover over to the east as we head into tomorrow morning, and temperatures even colder than this morning. So we're seeing more places likely into the mid-20s to start off the day tomorrow. So pretty chilly with that hard freeze happening again tomorrow to start off the day. And as we continue into the day on Thursday, we're going to start to warm things back up. But warm is a relative term here, and that just means that it's going to be a little bit better off than today. We'll see some mid-40s for highs tomorrow with some mostly sunny skies. That will help things out, and we continue this dry stretch heading into Friday, warming into the 40s. I think even some 50s possible. And Saturday looks like our warmer day, 50s with a system that's going to move through the region. Right now it looks like the core of that system will pass by to the north of us, and that means that our chances for precipitation are on the lower end, which is great. We want to continue drying out. But on top of that, we could still see a little bit, especially in the northern valley, and some wind associated with that. And as that moves through, temperatures will cool down as that colder air moves in behind it. So by the time we get into Monday next week, back down into those 30s for highs. So that warm up happening just in time for the end of the week and the weekend, but be aware it's going to get chilly again. And the really nice thing to talk about here is we really don't have any great chance for significant precipitation at this point in time. Maybe a couple of lingering flurries in the northeast tonight. And then again this weekend, a few spotty areas of light precip, but not that 1 inch of rain like we saw just earlier this week.
And that's going to be really great for a lot of folks who are still just trying to dry out.
Right. Even just trying to get in and out of your homes in some rural areas is tough, let alone what the farmers are going through and anybody else who has to deal with this right now.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.